Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. So anybody that owns a Polaris Slingshot knows that jump starting these things is a pain in the ass when the battery goes dead. So we have a solution that you guys can do yourself. Really simple, and the parts are really inexpensive. Check it out. Problem with the Slingshots is the battery is in the back, and then especially custom batteries, it's really hard to get to the post, and you have to remove these screws to remove the back cover. So what we like to do is we like to run a wire up here to the front, and then we use one of the entry-level fuse holders. You can pick these up for like $10 to $20, and then we don't put a fuse in it. So this is connected through the fuse block with a 200 amp fuse to the rear battery, and then this side we have grounded here to the frame, and then we did the big 3 on this, so we also have it grounded to the motor. So this is your negative jumper post, this is your positive jumper post. We make a little cover for it so it's clearly labeled. So now you can charge it from here, you can charge it, put your charger across it, you can jump start it from here. We've seen there's some kits out there that are really nice kits, but they only offer a positive post. So we had a customer that scraped the crap out of his control arm trying to jump start it. There's all kinds of arcs and sparks on it. This gives you a nice clean spot. It's clearly labeled. You put the cover on it to protect it from the weather. So you have your negative jump post, your positive jump post, and it's easy. And if you want to leave it on the tender with the hood closed, you can still access it from the side and just run your tender wire down. It's an easy do-it-yourself solution. We did nut inserts into the frame and then use machine screws, but you can pre-drill it and use some self-tapping screws. It's a real simple setup. Positive, negative, grounded here, or if you're not comfortable doing that, you just run it right there to the factory ground. Nice and easy, serviceable, quick. I'm sure my clients can appreciate the upgrade we gave them.